Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick run video of a Hoover Legacy. This is my uncle's. I just fixed it for him, put a new belt on it, gave it a quick cleanup, and replaced the bag. So, go ahead and give it a quick run video before I give it back to him. As you can see, it works really nice now. It's moving the carpet really well. I gave it a quick wipe down. Looks a little bit better. I didn't give it a full scour because I'm not getting paid to do that, but brand new belt. Brush hole's in okay shape. It's just dirty. And this base, I don't know how they did it. It's all warped. So, I don't know. All I know is it works. I know it sits crooked, but it cleans. So I really don't know what they did to it. It really did mess it up. But that's neither here nor there. It's not my problem. I was only told to replace a belt, which I did. So, yeah, that's it for this machine.